We're out here at the North Carolina Welcome Center. Let me tell you, 5 stars, outstanding. That lady in there, she told us about a pinball museum going on. She told us where the free parking is. You know, she got a whole map with a highlighter. I couldn't ask for more. I'd give it a 9.2. 9.2.
Now we're going on a hike. We're following our boy Tony. Tony's up there. Going for a hike.
We're out on our first hike in Asheville, North Carolina. We got Tony Colasordo, big Army Ranger here, soon to be a CrossFit champion of the United States Army. North Carolina, Fairville, about to leave Tony's house. Thanks for letting us stay here, Tony. Love you.
So we were riding our bikes around Myrtle Beach, and we saw a big billboard that said $20 for a helicopter ride. And so we went to check it out. The guy drove a hard bargain. He said 36 for a 7-mile instead of 20 for 2 miles. So we obliged, and now we're gonna go on a helicopter.